Sia 2024 general election the ensem abankasa sia de efia pokua Vimlady aba ne nsem a woka nyina ne se ahantan ne ahomaswenti ana MPP are say poto
unprecedented loss where unprecedented for MPP for. And you see, the last time I make can say Addo say oko opposition should make a for crunch and a winifie. Kofo send him meeting and omudi matem. Now I'm saying a statue. Let me pull up my Facebook. Now I'm saying a statue or takrade. The cultural to Facebook say Addo. Who better a candidate to lose anana in the middle of a presidential contest? And a friend say a statue. Oh, me my coffee to Frank can I didn't tell me on the comment section. And I have for now and I hear two for a month. They say this is it's a coup d'etat against MPP. My report.
afenso wo se wo blame Dr. Bawumia say okura eye Adom Kyei asori dem.
The Muslims were confused. They were like, Bawumia. In fact, one of the last most wrong move by Bawumia was to go to Philadelphia. Sorry, hold on. And I thought, okay, because Philadelphia not my hobby. But what come here, Israel force Omodi and Deo, a scarf, your so
Aha, let's talk GH rumors and any first time I put my video, Mr. say over subscribe and my menu click it will notification bell so say the any upload be a baby on sabit me I can share I'm for frab share any comment be I want so with me edge our comment section or your Facebook as let's talk GH rumors and your TikTok as let's talk GH Mr. So be follow these pages Edom. And I know power dear a chromo I shini nyina say a Vimlady aba na nsem a woka nyina ne say abatu we ya MPP aridi eti say coup d'etat pa che say MPP ahomaso nti ana ye pia omasi nchen.
It's a classic coup d'etat against MPP. It is a classic coup d'etat against MPP. There are two things. This is not necessarily like a win, and I'll show you results at MPP for NDC in 2020. And the results at NDC ende. There's just a slight difference. Where MPP for Nankasa stronghold, Eastern region, Ashanti region, Greater Accra region, baby 2016, Omotoma MPP no, Omoana Asato, Etia MPP for. It is a coup d'etat against MPP. This is a coup d'etat against MPP. There's no other language I can use to describe this. This is a coup d'etat. 2.6 million people in Ashanti region did not vote. 2.6 people in Ashanti region did not vote. Greater Accra region, Bebrianto. For the first time, we have a voter turnout of about 60% average. An unprecedented loss. Where unprecedented for MPP for. And you see, the last time I make can say Addo say oko opposition should make a for crunch and a winifie. Kofo send him meeting and omudi matem. Now I'm saying a statue. Let me pull up my Facebook. Now I'm saying a statue or takrade. The cultural to Facebook say Addo. Who better a candidate to lose anana in the middle of a presidential contest? And a friend say a statue. Oh, me my coffee to Frank can I didn't tell me on the comment section. And I have for now and I hear two for a month. They say this is it's a coup d'etat against MPP. My report. You have made less than 100 seats in parliament. This is unprecedented. MPP for supporters and this one, you see, what's your campaign NDC for yeah. And your campaign be NDC akase. Omo ye extravagant campaign. MPP supporters now see a bema mu showdown. And Lorisha a bimpo kano. MPP supporters and mama mu showdown. In fact, say see I Canada Japan supporters that Kiki is a Omoba for 2028. Omoba for 2028. Ye tumu for muntie. Ye can't say muntie. Gabi Osare da kuti Twitter. Make our program where so Mr. Gabi stop tweeting. When stop on Minister of Information. Minister of Information cry or Kasapa untie. Nina Gabi entie. They say I make as a Gabi Sia Bontia. MPP for any NDC. MPP supported boys now mentionable. Say America say let's Gabia Soroche na go step outside. She a boy some chena bono no. I'm talking on. This is what Otu said. You can say more. As much as Obiaka's MPP for they didn't even have a plan for voting day and vote post voting day. Coalition said, I mean, I say about a way, like many African elections, a ways and means. Obviously, if you are paid, me Ghana, me so what, me papa him, me mama him, and family home, nada. Matana Ghana 40 years. Oh dear, me be okay. This is a classic example. Now, who we need 2016. Now, go to for this what to for said.
We company for no. Kojo Mahama or Kachans Abane, the come near before na toye.
So we can coach that TV kind. So, Mahama Nakachan said, the come near before and a 2 year.
As I con another also catch and say, a come near before so on so banu the come near before Bessa 20.
Can't tell another one so back. That's why really, yeah, a come near before no, the pump Mahama. Ain't been at the pump.
And you know, 2 for kind or see, come near you bread and a gun for the 2 aba. And to what banner who in the year that be one another cocoa tea. In fact, let's see what water region another go as in Amokrama and to Amami. You catch them. Metiaya and I say that was a needless comment. We posted to Facebook. Monty. Who could see a statue? You can in every trail, and yet it's more stronghold, Eastern region, Ashanti region, Greater Accra region to my MPP in 2018, Cape Central region to my MPP 2018, Omukras Antomamu 2020, Omuan Asantuetiamu. This is a classic. It is a classic coup d'etat against MPP. Classic coup d'etat. Monko for na no mo say ye coup d'etat tiam. Ye mamom babio. Omwa 2.6 million people did not vote. Ashanti Eastern region manto almost 2.6 million people. Even now we are tamo su kro mu for betcha nanado ewo jubilee. That's an nanado catch up. When you say buy a criticizing nanado person nanado. You cannot say in a moment to my candidates since I decided to forget about you. They say to my attitude soon by now and nanado what they call a friend saying Ashanti Eastern region. What but a stronghold? You have major stronghold in Greater Accra region for what me say I can't say. The fact that NPP munya 1 million votes in 2016. This is one to Obama NDC no crap to Obama MPP in 2016. 1 million extra votes. You underestimated it. And to Obama, you any MPP from Kwana to Obama. Before, but you start with on cross on to Obama. So what can you do? So I mean that and the crowd who say why they afraid of Muko Kumasi. Afraid of Muko see airport to Kumasi. Kumasi voters do not send a airport. Do not send a airport. Afraid of Muko interchange. More enemy I can't say over your crowd highlight radio.
That because I can say any comment be a one ubeja e comment section or Eddie Mami. Vimlady amana so was say religion oblemi eye Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia for say we sorry them nititiu any say okopie mu e wo Adom Kyei asori de.
Mumu ye munti ase mum pese mbeti ensem. This is it. Me say aya na me be kan say nanado okọ efia and collect command good morning when he goes into opposition. Because from day one, Nanado has been doing everything. Bawumia should blame Nanado for this loss. Also blaming him. For the Bawumia also the cracker, which is this religion. No, Professor, he don't research on the back. He was saying that religion was going to play one of the key roles in this election. Religion, I knew that way. The Muslims were confused. They were like, Bawumia. In fact, one of the last most wrong move by Bawumia was to go to Philadelphia. Sorry, hold on. And then you talk okay because Philadelphia not to my hobby. But what come here day? Israel force Omodi and there a scarf here booty so Obi money. So even the conservative and California conservative for her, you Sunni, you Tijania. They were Ahmadiyya. They were confused. They say, you know, who better you Christian and not obey a Muslim. It would be an alpe. emu die hen na wo pe emu die hen mo am send message na mo di atem de enye hwe itu je de in fact NDC boy obuhuro MPP for no normal. This is exactly what MPP also did to NDC. You know there. Mama Mudi attempt the money your coins. Which is the money. That will be to say Ghana Black Stars ne. Yeni Sudan Boko ye kori. And I have to folk ne kotoko. Oh, say they have a bomb match now. Obi a teasing your uncle. It's just part of it. We young winning, we be winning. Into way winning and we teasing your uncle. But when you take it, Mudi tell me they want your coins. Again your coins. About to be one person will win, one person will lose. Young drink Ghana or mine or mining cost one or money yeah. Now, one of the key issues, any which is MPP for minority or more parliament, right now, NBC has a blank check. NBC has a blank check because they more or two for video ni chair. MPP for and Suyan answer from vote to no munya in 2020. Because the most Suyan answer, and from 2020 now, starting you must say you correct your mistakes. Starting with second of President Kenoforiata, Nanado and just sack him. I thought maybe you see, and you are not no Professor Jampo research chair, you know, see. And for money between 18 years and 24, they will vote MPP because some of you free SHS. Or money between 25 years to 55, how many breadwinner? And look at that bracket. Almost on the door, 25 to 55. China ni Dubai man. Will not vote. They said they will vote NDC. Professor Don't research shows that MPP for NTO. And they didn't listen. They did not listen. They said it very clearly. Professor Don't research or see between 25 years and 55 for MPP, they are voting NDC because some bracket, they breadwinners, they quarter ban and collect didi, they treat like bill, they treat water bill, they CD dollar exchange rate in effect, they jump for man, they jump for man, gusta boto kind, spare parts for the we said it here. And a chunk of those people who are greater Accra region, Eastern region, Ashanti region. MPP what they didn't listen. And one said, Greater Accra region, Eastern region, more typically, and this is the core of MPP. You see, that's the difference between MPP and NDC supporters. The typical NDC supporter on the other they too. So, by MPP supporter, because most of our support base, you know, and they warned you people in 2021, 2.6 million people did not vote.
Abusia na chese ensem no eno no Ghana se bedwo abato na kwawie na nso emu nsem eye bebre me de mani edi nsem nechi any update be be fiwa baby am de bebre wo me ka wo say ye wo Facebook as let's talk GH rumors and ye wo TikTok as let's talk GH wo be follow these pages e de amami me din e de na na ekwa santo a makram